Road to 100K day 29. Woke up bright and early at about 4 a.m. because we have a snowstorm. At this point, we had over 6 inches of snow and it was time to start servicing my customers' properties. It's important to stay on top of a wet and heavy storm like this as things can get out of hand pretty quickly. But overall, the morning went good and it was time to get some Starbucks to get some caffeine in. And then for 18 hours straight, I serviced properties into the night. This was my last property. I finished it at 9:40 and made it home by 10 p.m. I'll see you all tomorrow.